Kinder Playtime Halloween.
Welcome to another Halloween special by Kinder Playtime. Today we have a massive Frankenstein bucket full of boy mystery surprises. We've got Ninja Turtles, superheroes, Minecraft, and more. Let's get cracking on this spooky mystery surprise bucket. Alright, let's get rolling. Where's our first surprise? Wow, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers action vinyls. Super cool. Oh, they come with accessories? That's pretty neat. And there's some bad guys. Cool. Let's hurry up and open it. Who could our first Power Ranger figure be? Whoa, it's Lord Zed. Oh, these are cool. Their arms and legs move. His head moves. Oh wow, look at that brain on the top of his head. He's uber creepy for Halloween. Cool, let's see what accessories he came with. Looks like he's got a card. Lord Zed. Cool. And he's got this, like, Lord Zed staff. That's pretty neat. Let's stick it in his hand. Cool. Alright, what's next? Now we have some DC Comics figural key rings. Got some awesome superheroes and villains. And a couple mystery characters. Ooh. Which character did we get? Wow, we got Green Lantern. He looks pretty cool, huh? I like his hair. Nice. You can't go wrong with some Minecraft minifigures. Wow, so cool. Jacob loves Minecraft. There's some pretty cool creatures in Minecraft. Which one did we get? Oh, it's a red cow. This is called a mushroom because he has mushrooms on him. It's a mushroom cow. Neat. We have some more Inside Out vinyl figures for this video. Ooh, I wonder who we'll get this time. Wow. So far, we've gotten this Bing Bong and this Anger. Who else will we get today? Wow, we got the Flaming Anger. This is when he gets really mad. Roar! Here's some totally cool Ninja Turtles Mashems. Sweet. We love the squishy, fun Mashems and Fashems here. Alright. Who could it be? Whoa, we got Shredder! Now you can squash Shredder anytime you want. Speaking of Ninja Turtles, we have their Funko vinyl figures too. These are super awesome, so let's get it open. Did we get a turtle? Did we get a bad guy? Did we get another character? Let's find out. We got Donatello! Look how cool their faces are! That is so fun! He looks like he popped right out of a cartoon. Sweet! How about some DC Comics minis? These guys look super cool. Let's find out who we got today. We got Superman! Ooh, he's got red crazy eyes. Looks like these come with a stand. We'll have to put them together. Alright. Cool. Look how neat he is. He looks like he's about ready to take off and fly away. There he is. Anyone up for adventure? Because it's adventure time! Woohoo! You know, we don't watch Adventure Time, but it looks really interesting. So you'll have to tell us about it. It's pretty cool. They got some really neat looking characters. So let's open it up and take a look. Alright, who is it? Wow, okay, this is Finn with a grass sword. So let's pull his sword out. See what he looks like with that. These figures are so cool when they come with accessories. Give him his sword, and then he's ready to go on an adventure. Cool. Let's open some Transformers Tiny Titans. This looks way cool. Alright, now correct me if I'm wrong, but this kind of looks like Optimus Prime. Let's see what his card says, because I think there's a card in here. Yep, we got Optimus Prime, the coolest Transformer ever. Awesome. Let's open this superheroes vinyl figures. Look at their faces, they're so cool. Wow, we love superheroes around here. And it's the perfect time of year for superheroes because Halloween is all about dressing up. And who better to dress up as than your favorite superhero? Let's see. Whoa, what's this dude? He's got a cool costume. Wow. And of course we get one of the few characters I don't remember their name. So, if you know this guy's name, comment below. Everyone's in Star Wars mode lately, so how about some lightsabers? Everybody loves a good lightsaber. Blue, green, or red? We're about to find out. We got red! Wow, these are bigger than I thought they'd be. Super neat. All the new Star Wars stuff is so cool. Let's open some more Power Rangers. Our dad is super duper wanting the Red Ranger or the White Ranger. Those are his favorite. Oh no, we got another Lord Zed. Bummer. Here's some cool Marvel Hero Collector's key rings. Let's see who we get today. And we have Nick Fury. Wow, look at his uniform, so cool. Let's do another Ninja Turtles vinyl figure. Maybe we can get Donatello's brothers. Okay, here we go. We got Raphael. Totally cool. He looks so angry all the time. Nice. Looks like it's time for some Minecraft hangers. We have Series 2 today. And we have a chest. Everyone could always use a good chest. You can even open it. So cool. Now we have some Kidrobot miniseries vinyl figures. So cool. These are DC comic characters again. Alright. Wow, this guy's so cool. Ooh, he looks awesome. I don't know who it is though, so comment below and tell me. I bet once you tell me, I will feel really dumb. But go ahead and tell me so I know. He is so cool. More Star Wars. We have Danglers, and these look so cool for keychains or even backpacks. Alright. Wow, Princess Leia. And she looks totally awesome with her blaster. Cool. We're hitting you with some more Ninja Turtles Mashems. Oh man, another Shredder. Duplicate day. Let's do some more DC Comics superhero vinyl figures. And we have Wonder Woman. Oh yeah. Totally awesome. Cool. Wow, this Frankenstein bowl has so many awesome surprises. Let's keep going. Here we have some Imaginext figures. This is season 4. Let's pull it out and put it together. Looks like we have a boxer. Cool. He even comes with a punching dummy. Awesome. Here we have some Avengers Age of Ultron minis. That was such a cool movie. And the mystery surprise is Ultron. You guys, this guy was the coolest looking robot ever. So neat. Whoa, he's a bobblehead. Cool. Let's put him on his stand. Awesome. Who loves minions? We do here at Kinder Playtime. And our minion today is this guy. Let's look up his name. This is Kevin. They come with a stand. That's pretty cool. Star Wars Micro Machines. Now you can have the coolness of your own starship right in the palm of your hand. Wow, look at this X-Wing. Neat. We're still looking for the Red Ranger and the White Ranger. Let's cross our fingers and hope we get it. Did we get red or white? No, we got Rita Repulsa with her crazy staff. All right. I could not count the times that I have seen Rita Repulsa throw this staff on Earth and summon a bad guy. Cool. Here's another Minecraft hangers. What will we get this time? The suspense is killing me. Let's open it. Whoa. Is this an Enderman? Yes, it is. Looks like you have to put his arms and legs on. We have our first ever The Ugglys Pet Shop mystery surprise. These things are super gross, but Jacob is totally addicted to looking at them. So we decided to get them this time. Oh, look at this gross dog. Ooh, it's squishy. Oh, that's even weirder. Wow. It's like throwing up. This is really gross. Oh, it's another dog. And he's carrying around a fish. That one is less gross. Is that a fish? Or a really gross sandwich? Ew. These are gross. I think that's the point. We found another one of these cool Marvel figures boxes. There's 13 collectible figures inside. Let's get started. Look at all the surprise bags, guys. Wow. Where should we start? Alright. Marvel Heroes Chibis 3-pack. So you get 3 per bag. Alright, a member of the Fantastic Four. Cool. Mr. Fantastic. We also got Spider-Man, awesome, one of my favorite superheroes ever. And our last Marvel Chibi is the Punisher. Cool. More Marvel Heroes Chibis. Punisher again. Spider-Man again. And Juggernaut. This is one bad dude. Here's some Marvel Grab Zags. It's got all kinds of different toys you could get in here. Let's see what we got today. Looks like a Spider-Man dangler. And it's a pin. Super cool. Here we have some 3-pack Marvel Avengers chibis. Who came in this bag? Iron Man. Awesome. This guy has to be my favorite Avenger. Oh, this looks like Captain America in plain clothes. Nice. And Bruce Banner. Very cool. And the last thing in this huge mystery box is another Avengers chibis. We ended up getting Thor with his awesome hammer. Another Bruce Banner. And finally, to wrap us up with this box, Tony Stark. Look what I found. Another Transformers Tiny Titans. Uh-oh, he looks mean. Filch. He sounds mean too. Wow. Cool figures. Ninja Turtle Mashems. Anyone but Shredder, please. Yeah, we got Raphael. Whoa. He's clear. That's cool. Jacob's gonna love this. Let's reach inside our bowl again. And what do we have? DC Comics Minis. Cool. Looks like we have another Superman. Let's change it up with some Disney keyrings. These look so cool. Wow. We really want to get this Baymax because he's one of our favorite characters. Come on out. We got Mowgli from the Jungle Book. Let's get another starship with a Star Wars Micro Machines. Wow, cool. It's a stormtrooper on some sort of dinosaur alien. Cool. Here's our last chance for our Power Rangers. Hopefully we don't get another bad guy. Come on, surely we got one Power Ranger. We did! The Black Ranger! Alright, let's look at his accessories. Ooh, cool. He's got a helmet and a blaster and an axe. Neat helmet. He's ready for some Mighty Morphin Power Ranger action. Minecraft minifigure. Ooh, we got a zombie with some armor. He's shiny. Next, we found these super cool Chibi's 3-pack DC Comics Forever Evil figures. They're superheroes gone evil. So cool. First up, wow. Who is that? Black Adam. Whoa, he's got 3 eyes. And evil Superman. Finally, bad Batman. Oh, he's called the Yellow Lantern. Weird. Oh, and this Superman, he's labeled as Ultraman. Here's another Turtles vinyl figure. Casey, cool. He can help Donatello and Raphael beat up some foot. DC Comics figural keyrings. Who do we have? Ooh, we got Reverse Flash. Wow. Here's another Avengers Age of Ultron original minis. And inside the bag is another Ultron. Ew, another Ugglys pet shop. Let's pop this nasty can open. Oh, this puppy looks sad. He's probably sad because he's disgusting. Oh, he wet himself. Gross, dog. Gross. Let's see who his yucky friend is. He looks like Clifford. Oh, he's drooling something yucky off his tongue. Ew. Here's another Kidrobot vinyls. These guys are strangely happy, even the bad guys. But they're so cool. And the character is Green Lantern. Wow, he is so cool. Look at all the details on his armor. Neat. And here's our last Inside Out vinyl figure. It's Joy! Wow, look at that beautiful smile. Hi, Joy. Who's next in our Imaginext collection? Let's find out. Oh, wow, perfect for Halloween. A creepy clown. Let's find his other parts. Hey, at least he's making a cute balloon dog. And it's time for our last Ninja Turtles Mashems. Cool, we got a squishy Donatello. Minecraft minifigure again. And we have a Wither skeleton. Creepy. More minions. Jacob wants King Bob super bad, so let's hope we get him. Hey, what do you know? We got King Bob! Sweet! Jacob will be over the moon. More superheroes with DC Comics figural key rings. And the DC Comics hero is Aquaman. Here's our very last Star Wars mystery. And it's another Dangler. And it's Master Yoda. Let's open up another Disney keyring. These are the coolest key rings. I love them. Oogie Boogie! Perfect for our Halloween video. Awesome. One more Minecraft figure. What kind of monster could we get today? Or perhaps Steve? And we have a Ghast. Wow, this figure's so cool. Sweet. And our 50th and final surprise out of the Frankenstein bowl is Ninja Turtles vinyl figures. One last chance, here we go. It's a big one. Ooh, what does that feel like? We got my favorite Michelangelo. Sweet. Cool, so we didn't get Leonardo today, but we got all the other turtles. Awesome. Wow, what an awesome, epic mystery opening. That was so much fun. Happy Halloween, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.